2005 Ford Ranger, 90,000 miles, perfect student vehicle or fleet truck. It is an XL, basic package, automatic with the 3.0. Brand new tires and brakes. Amazingly clean truck. No accidents, perfect vehicle history report. Bed liner. Perfect student vehicle. Or like I said, vehicle for fleet or work employee. Basic truck, crank windows, vinyl floors. It is a work truck. Ice cold AC. $90,500 miles. Hard to find clean trucks like this in this price range. 2005 Ford Ranger regular cab, 3.0 liter automatic transmission, 90,000 miles, in amazing condition.